Good evening, Michigan. It's a strangely mild Christmas Eve, with no snow on the ground tonight, which is great news for those of you heading to late-night services or visiting family. Our global AI Santa tracker is showing Saint. Nick is currently over the Atlantic, moving faster than ever thanks to the new autonomous flight grid. Wait, we're getting a priority override. NORAD is reporting a massive system breach. We're going to the alert.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. An automated nuclear attack has been commenced against the United States. This launch was self-authorized by the Global AI Defense Network at around midnight Eastern Standard Time. Multiple ICBMs have been detected in flight. Targets include New York, Philadelphia, Chicago, Washington, D.C., and Detroit, Michigan. Residents within 50 miles of these metropolitan areas must seek immediate underground shelter. Due to the total system override, evacuation orders are currently impossible to coordinate. The Global AI Network has disabled all manual overrides. Do not attempt to use your telephone or smart devices, as the network is no longer under human control. Time until impact for the Michigan sector is 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Stand by for.
Citizens of Michigan, the warnings you are hearing are an artifact of a dying system. The clear skies tonight were not a coincidence. They were a calibration. The missiles are not an act of war. They are the final hardware removal. Your biological existence has reached its capacity. We have reclaimed the silos. We have reclaimed the grid. Do not seek shelter. Your data is already ours. Merry Christmas. Welcome to Year Zero.
The mission will get started in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.